You brought it yourself.
My Lord, next time, I hope also, don't have to say must tweet within 15 minutes, which is what we were trying, then accusing of not reading everything. Because I have not actually read everything. There are other issues I could have also have read. But my Lord, let me read this. My Lord, hearty congratulations to my long-time friend. That was underlined by the, and the source is Right Honorable Amason Kingi Judge. The petitioners said the issue, and that is the issue that I picked during my submission, that there is a long-term friendship between the judge and the party. That long-term friendship ought to have been disclosed. I say that. Then it goes on to say, on the occasion of the renewal of your marriage vows with your beloved wife, this is now there, evidence that they are giving. You are a true testimony to the belief that spouses resolve to stick with each other through thick and thin, great things can happen. I wish the two of you the very best in this long journey, and pray that God continues to bless this union and review with his wisdom and the patience that comes with marriage and family life. Hongera kakangu. And below there is the photograph where a gift is being given by the Honorable Mr. Kingi, Senator, to the couple of Judge Mrima and I believe his spouse. That is the annexure that was put by the petitioners in proof of the fact that there is a close relationship, a close friendship that under the law ought to have been disclosed, given that Kingi is a very important party for purposes of the case against the Senate, that he botched everything and has come here to defend those impeachment proceedings. I believe my job is done, and because that is all that it says, and that is the affidavit of the petitioners. Unless they need me to read something else, no, I can sit down.
The second applicant.
May it please you, my lords, my lady.
You are in another file, eh?
No, you can't.
Or we take it in another file or the same file?
Yes, my lady.
It's not in the same file. Yes.
I am in 509, where we have the application.
509 is in cohort 1, eh?
Yes, cohort 1.
Give us 5.
Your Lordship, with profound respect,
Say something about something else.
permit me, Your Lordship, to indicate that we are arguing the application dated the 22nd of October with a further affidavit, Your Lordship, having been filed this afternoon through the court's email. Your Lordship, from the onset, it's with heavy heart, Your Lordship, that we have moved you through these mechanisms, and that, Your Lordship, my submissions are the submissions of my client, and that I'm just a vessel for putting across my client's case. Your Lordship, there is a notice of motion that seeks the recusal of this bench. The same, Your Lordship, is supported with an affidavit and an annexure. Equally, the further affidavit is supported by 2 annexures. In my submissions, Your Lordship, I will heavily rely on the facts contained therein.
What's the date of your application?
The 22nd of October, Your Lordships, my lady. I'll begin by indicating and relying on the Judicial Service Code of Conduct and Ethics Regulation 20